Hello, and welcome to eClerx Talks, where we talk about the latest technology and market trends in the industry today. My name is Adam Cohen. I'm the Director of Product Marketing at eClerx, and with me today I have Jamin Edis, Professor at NYU's Business School, who will be talking to us about this particular topic today. Jamin, great to see you again. Great to be back. So today's topic, we're really focusing on AI as it stands today in the industry. It's already here, and rather than looking to the future, we're really looking at how it's reshaping brands, how they manage content, access insights, and even talk to their customers today. So the question is, what that we're going to explore in this particular episode is how do you make it work for your brand right now, seeing business results? So Jamin, over to you. How are brands using AI to improve their product content today?
So companies that are forward-thinking, working on a number of fronts in terms of using AI to improve product content. So number one, they're using it to create automated content, right? So automated content generation. So that's AI is drafting titles, bullet points, long descriptions, adding metadata. That saves your team hours and days of work. Secondly, they're using it to fill content gaps. So it will identify missing attributes, for example, or inconsistent data across SKUs, and it can benchmark that against competitors as well. One thing which historically has been quite onerous, taking a lot of time, is localization.
Right.
So that's it's not just changing the language using AI, but it's maybe providing additional context for that geography or that region. So
like certain phrases might mean something different,
correct,
right? And that can go horribly wrong. Yeah,
exactly. So that allows you to adapt your content for new markets faster than doing it manually. Like, what's important to note is that having some human oversight is required. Otherwise, AI is going to create errors or hallucinations or things that are off-brand in terms of messaging. So it's important you have the right governance, the right QA, the right guardrails, and have a human in the loop to the degree that it is a reasonable amount to trade off from the scalability and the automation of AI.
And if I can take it back quickly, when you say hallucinations, for those that don't know, could you explain what that means?
Hallucinations is when the large language model, the LLM, which is basically just a probabilistic model, is guessing what the next word should be based on its training data. Sometimes it will make something up that it's read somewhere. It may be satire, and it will throw it back as fact. Sometimes it just gets it wrong on the guessing game, and that creates what's called hallucinations. And you need typically human judgment to catch that.
Right.
So at any rate, there's still an awful lot of benefit in using AI to turn product content into large, structured, scalable output.
Okay, so my next question then is, what role does AI play in giving brands insights on demand?
Well, with some of the tools and products that are out there, including eClerx's suite of solutions, it allows you to do everything from real-time shelf monitoring, looking at your competitors, your products versus them, looking at pricing changes, stockouts, competitor promos. All that can be surfaced instantly with the right tools, giving you insights on demand, not just descriptive dashboards that typically you had to pull together with lots of effort from different retailers or departments or whatever, and create a historical lagging indicator. This allows you to do it in real time. The AI will alert managers if action is needed. It also, with the right data science models, allows you to do prescriptive and predictive analytics, not just descriptive reporting. So on the predictive intelligence part, I think forecasting competitor behavior, market trends, giving brands time to respond, getting ahead of the problems, that's another area that AI can play in. Ultimately, AI helps brands really shift from a more reactive posture to a more proactive one in their decision making, as long as you are empowering human beings and or AI agents to make decisions around those insights.
And just to come back slightly then, so this element of the insights on demand would be a sort of combination of generative and agentic AI?
Yes, correct.
Whereas previously with the product content, I guess some of that would be generative, like you explained, right? But then also agentic to identify missing gaps.
Correct.
And fill in the appropriate content for
Correct.
that. So my next question then is, how are AI-powered chatbots shaping customer engagement for brands?
Well, what an AI-powered chatbot allows you to do is it's really just like an extensibility of an automated customer service phone line, where it's taking you through a decision tree of the most common topics or problems, challenges customers having. The chatbots are just doing that, typically with text and images, etc. they're going to handle FAQs, they're going to handle returns, answer your product questions 24/7. You don't need to have a human answering it. So it's always on. That's great. The second kind of customer-facing part is personalization. So chatbots tailor responses and recommendations based on each shopper's profile. They should, if it's done correctly, be able to draw on your purchase history. And so it's not just using a large language model to answer things in a natural way, but it's also using retrieval augmented generation, RAG, to pull proprietary data from your customer profile, as well as proprietary data of you as a retailer and the SKUs that may not be customer facing to augment that answer. So there's that idea of personalization. From an internal enterprise perspective, chatbots allow, or they function as kind of internal brand co-pilots, right? So it allows your sales and marketing teams to quickly pull product details, performance statistics, campaign insights, allows them to do their job better. So at the end of the day, these chatbots can be both service tools and act as brand amplifiers that really drive engagement and improve loyalty.
So thanks again, Jamin, for going through all that. And let's just wrap this up now then. So AI, as we've already just discussed, is already delivering value for brands, right? There's the smarter content, to the instant insights, and to those chatbots that engage customers in real time. And we're going to see many brands, and the ones that get ahead will be the brands that embrace automation, but keep humans in the loop to guide strategy and the storytelling element. So with all that then, like we spoke about in the previous episode, it's more important than ever to partner with the right company that has both the technology aspect as well as the industry expertise to navigate the market and grow with it as it evolves today. We have a market intelligence platform that includes digital shelf optimization. It also does SKU launches, and it does everything to improve your visibility online, increase margins, and get ahead of your competitors with the right technology and the right industry expertise, powered by AI technology. So once again, thank you for joining us, and we'll see you on the next episode.